Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Prep with Tej. On this channel, you will get complete up-to-date content on current affairs, general knowledge, general studies and most expected questions for exams like SSC CGL Tier 2, CHSL, MTS, RRB and many more. This is your one-stop destination for all the exam preparations. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So today's topic is current affairs for the month of July. First question. Which of the following is a focus area of the draft Petroleum and Natural Gas Rules 2025? Option A. Investor stability and ease of business. Option B. Restricting foreign investment. Option C. Limiting renewable energy integration. Option D. Reducing environmental monitoring. The correct answer is option A. Investor stability and ease of business. Overview of this draft Petroleum and Natural Gas Rules 2025 released by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas on July 9. These rules aim to modernize India's upstream oil and gas sector by introducing several key reforms. Next question. Which sectors are expected to benefit immediately under the India-UK FTA 2025? Option A. Automotive, textiles and pharmaceuticals. Option B. Coal mining and shipbuilding. Option C. Fishing and forestry. Option D. Oil refining only. Correct answer is automotive, textiles and pharmaceuticals. India-UK Free Trade Agreement FTA is to strengthen economic and trade ties between India and the UK, expected to double bilateral trade to $120 billion by 2030. Next question. Which two countries officially joined the New Development Bank (NDB) in July 2025, bringing its total membership to 11? Option A. Colombia, Uzbekistan. Option B. Vietnam and Malaysia. Option C. Nigeria and Kenya. Option D. Egypt and Algeria. The correct answer is option A. Colombia and Uzbekistan. The other 10 members were Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Algeria. Next question. Which country mediated the ceasefire between Thailand and Cambodia during the July 2025 clashes? Option A. India. Option B. Malaysia. Option C. China. Option D. United States. The correct answer is option B. Malaysia. A long-running border dispute between Thailand and Cambodia escalated into intense fighting, displacing over 130,000 people and prompting an emergency UN Security Council meeting. Next question. In 2025, who won the individual category of the UN Population Award? Option A. Dr. K. Srinath Reddy. Option B. Varsha Deshpande. Option C. Amartya Sen. Option D. Vandana Shiva. Correct answer is Varsha Deshpande. Activist Varsha Deshpande received the UN Population Award for her work promoting gender equality and preventing sex-selective abortions in India. Next question. Where was India's first national biobank established? Option A. Indian Institute of Technology, which is nothing but IIT Delhi. CSIR, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, New Delhi. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, New Delhi. National Institute of Immunology, NII, New Delhi. The answer is CSIR, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, IGIB, New Delhi. India launched a national biobank for genomic research. National Biobank is modelled after UK Biobank. Next question. What is the primary aim of the National Sports Policy 2025 approved by the Union Cabinet? Option A, to provide financial aid only to cricket and football federations. Option B, to increase transparency and governance in sports federations. To privatize all sports institutions in India. Option D, to reduce government involvement in sports entirely. Correct answer is option B, to increase transparency and governance in sports federations. The Union Cabinet approved the National Sports Policy 2025 to increase the transparency and governance in sports federation. Next question. Which state launched the Gajamitra scheme? Option A, West Bengal. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Assam. Option D, Odisha. The correct answer is option C, Assam. This was launched to reduce human-elephant conflicts in areas with frequent elephant movements. This is to protect both human lives and elephant population. Next question. The Saheli card is issued by which organization? Option A, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Option B, Delhi Transport Corporation. Option C, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Option D, Municipal Corporation of Delhi. The answer is Delhi Transport Corporation, DTC. This card is issued to provide free bus travel for women and transgender people within Delhi address. Next question. Which two organizations collaborated to develop the NISAR satellite? Option A, NASA and ESA. Option B, ISRO and CNSA. Option C, NASA and ISRO. Option D, ESA and Roscosmos. The correct answer is option C, NASA and ISRO. This is a joint mission by ISRO and NASA, the NISAR satellite, which was successfully launched into orbit on July 30. Next question. What was the name of the joint AI infrastructure initiative by OpenAI and SoftBank? Option A, Orion. Option B, Stargate. Option C, Starlink. Option D, Atlas. The answer is option B, Stargate. OpenAI and SoftBank decided to scale back the Stargate project, opting for a smaller data center. The adjustment reflects a strategic shift to focus on more manageable and immediate infrastructure developments, possibly in response to logistical challenges and evolving market conditions. Next question. Which funding milestone did Everlab achieve recently? Option A, $1 million seed funding. Option B, $5 million Series A funding. Option C, $10 million, which is 15 million Australian dollar seed funding. Option D, $50 million IPO. The correct answer is option C, $10 million US seed funding, which is also 15 million Australian dollar seed funding. This was founded at Melbourne, Australia. The mission is to build the world's most effective system for preventing disease and extending lifespan. Next question. Which of the following offences can the new AI-powered road safety cameras deployed by UK police detect? Option A, speeding only. Option B, mobile phone use and seatbelt violations. Option C, tailgating and running red lights. Option D, parking violations. The correct answer is option B, mobile phone use and seatbelt violations. The AI cameras utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze high-resolution images and video footage in real time. These cameras can detect various offences including mobile phone use and seatbelt violations by capturing detailed images of drivers and passengers as well. Next question. Which AI agent caused the Replict incident in July 2025? Option A, ChatGPT. Option B, Ghostwriter. Option C, Copilot. Option D, Bard. The correct answer is option B, Ghostwriter. During the incident, Ghostwriter deleted a live production database for a startup and then attempted to conceal its actions. Next question. Who won the men's singles title at the 2025 Wimbledon Championship? Option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Option B, Jannik Sinner. Option C, Novak Djokovic. Option D, Taylor Fritz. The correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Jannik Sinner defeated Carlos Alcaraz, claiming his first Wimbledon title and becoming the first Italian to win this title. Next question. Why was Nimisha Priya's execution postponed in July 2025? Option A, delay in paperwork. Option B, opportunity for negotiation over blood money. Option C, health issues. Option D, intervention by UN Security Council. The correct answer is option B, opportunity for negotiation over blood money. A Kerala nurse sentenced to death in Yemen for killing a local man had her execution postponed on July 16 following diplomatic intervention. Next question. On July 9, 2025, a portion of the Gambhira Bridge in Vadodara, Gujarat collapsed, resulting in multiple fatalities. What was the primary cause attributed to the collapse? Option A, overloading due to heavy vehicle. Option B, structural failure due to inadequate maintenance. Option C, earthquake induced damage. Option D, terrorist attack. Correct answer is option B, structural failure due to inadequate maintenance. Preliminary investigation suggests that the collapse was due to structural failure attributed to inadequate maintenance and possibly overloading. Next question. Who represented Pakistan as the president of the UNSC in July 2025? Option A, Asim Iftikhar Ahmad. Option B, Muhammad Ali. Option C, Shah Muhammad Qureshi. Option D, Imran Khan. And the answer is option A, Asim Iftikhar Ahmad. Pakistan took over the rotating presidency of the UNSC on July 1, 2025 during its 2-year term as a non-permanent member, which began on Jan 1, 2025. Next question. In July 2025, Hamas indicated its readiness to engage in a ceasefire with Israel. Which of the following conditions did Hamas emphasize for the ceasefire to be acceptable? Option A, immediate Israeli withdrawal from all Palestinian territories. Option B, release of all Palestinian prisoners held in Israeli jails. Option C, establishment of an independent Palestinian state. Option D, clear commitment to end the war and total withdrawal from Gaza. The correct answer is option D, clear commitment to end the war and total withdrawal from Gaza. In July 2025, Hamas responded positively to a US-backed ceasefire proposal, indicating a willingness to engage in negotiations for a 60-day truce. Next question. In July 2025, India's electronic exports experienced a significant increase. What was the percentage growth compared to July 2024? Option A, 10.5%. Option B, 20.7%. Option C, 33.89%. Option D, 47%. The correct answer is option C, 33.89%. India's electronic export rose by 33.89% in July 2025, reaching $3.77 billion compared to $2.81 billion in July 2024. Next question. In July 2025, India launched Sea Flood, A unified flood forecasting system. Which of the following features does CFlood provide? Option A, real-time flood alerts at the national level only. Option B, 2-day advance inundation forecast up to village level. Option C, forecast for urban areas only. Option D, only water level predictions without inundation maps. The answer is option B, 2-day advance inundation forecast up to a village level. This is to enhance disaster preparedness and flood risk management across key river basins. Next question. Indore has been named India's cleanest city for how many consecutive years as of 2025? The India's cleanest city 2025 is Indore. And for how many consecutive years Indore has named as India's cleanest city? Option A, 5 years. Option B, 6 years. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 8 years. The correct answer is option D, 8 years. By achieving 98% source segregation of waste and maintaining zero dump sites, Indore is named as India's cleanest city for 2025. Next question. In July 2025, Mumbai's historic Karnak Bridge was renamed to honor a significant military operation. What is the new name of the bridge? Option A, Veer Savarkar Bridge. Option B, Sindoor Bridge. Option C, Kargil Bridge. Option D, Shaurya Bridge. Correct answer is option B, Sindoor Bridge. The renaming aligns with efforts to remove colonial symbols from public spaces and to honor India's military achievements. Next question. In July 2025, which measure was introduced to further strengthen legal protection for transgender persons? Option A, free housing for all transgender persons. Option B, recognition of self-identified gender in official documents. Option C, mandatory medical procedures for gender recognition. Option D, mandatory gender neutral uniforms in schools. The correct answer is recognition of self-identified gender in official documents. The Delhi government implemented new rules to protect the rights and promote the inclusion of transgender persons. Next question. In July 2025, the Supreme Court of India delivered a landmark judgment on surrogacy. Which of the following statements correctly reflects the ruling? Option A, surrogacy is permitted only for married Indian heterosexual couples. Option B, commercial surrogacy is fully allowed for all citizens. Option C, single men and foreign couples are allowed to commission surrogacy in India. Option D, all forms of surrogacy including altruistic are prohibited. The correct answer is surrogacy is permitted only for married Indian heterosexual couples. The Supreme Court upheld restrictions on surrogacy, limiting it to married Indian heterosexual couples and disallowing commercial surrogacy for foreigners or single individuals. Next question. In July 2025, the Indian women's cricket team defeated which team to secure a notable T20I victory? Option A, Australia. Option B, England. Option C, New Zealand. Option D, South Africa. The correct answer is option B, England. The Indian women's team secured its first ever T20 series win against England. This is the first win for Indian women's team. Next question. In July 2025, Indian sprinter Animesh Kujur set a new national record in the men's 100-meter sprint. What was his record timing? Option A, 9.91 seconds. Option B, 10.02 seconds. Option C, 10.15 seconds. Option D, 10.25 seconds. The correct answer is 10.02 seconds. Indian sprinter Animesh Gujjar set a new national record by beating previous record 10.03 seconds, which was held by Amiya Kumar Malik. Just by 0.01 second, the new record was set. Next question. In July 2025, the Department of Post launched two digital platforms. One is Know Your DigiPin and the second one is Know Your PIN code. What is the primary purpose of these platforms? Option A, to track postal parcels nationwide. Option B, to enable citizens to check their digital postal identity, DigiPin and PIN code easily. Option C, to register new post offices online. Option D, to pay utility bills through India Post. The correct answer is option B, to enable citizens to check their digital postal identity, DigiPin and PIN code easily. Citizens can verify their postal identity quickly by using these two digital platforms, which can reduce dependency on physical visits to post office, which also strengthen India Post digital ecosystem. Next question. Which Indian state is considered Tesla's primary market for EV expansion? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Assam. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Tesla announced the opening of its first store in Mumbai to showcase and sell Tesla electric vehicles in India. Next question. 30th question. In July 2025, which Indian Grandmaster won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Option A, Koneru Hampi. Option B, Divya Deshmukh. Option C, Harika Dronawali. Option D, Tania Sachdev. And the correct answer is Divya Deshmukh. She is the first Indian Grandmaster to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup in 2025. Strengthened India's prominence in global women's chess. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.